Summer is over. How much did we make? How much did we lose? As usual, first of the month, what I'm doing is I'm doing a small recap of the previous month, as usual, as I've been doing every single month ever since March. There's a whole playlist called Road to $100,000 a month, because right now it's my goal. It is what I'm striving towards to. And so in today's video, I'm going to tell you what I learned this month, what went right, what went wrong, how much I made, how much I lost, because maybe it's one of these months. Who knows? Who knows? We're going to see. But yeah, so this is what we're going to talk about today, as we do every single month. Before we actually do, I am now offering one-on-one coaching if you want to scale your Amazon business. If you want, it doesn't matter if you're a beginner, if you are a little bit more advanced, if you need help to grow your business, if you need someone, if you have the capital, but you do not know how to invest in and how to actually make it grow. If you want to avoid mistakes, book a call with me, and so we can discuss how we can do this for you. We can build a plan for you to scale your business. Second link, Discord server, best place to meet other people selling on Amazon. So yeah, you need to network to grow with this business. So link in the description, book a call. I'm sorry, join the Discord server, come and go with us. I'm sorry, I'm a little bit tired today. So how much did we make? So this month, once again, as I told you last month, we are in maintenance mode. So for the top line, it stayed the same. I said the top line stayed the same. The bottom line did not stay the same. The top line still the same. I did 23 something, like in the US market, a few thousand as always in Canada and Mexico. So we are close to $25,000 once again. As you guys know, maintenance modes, but things changed actually this month, because as you guys know, what I'm doing most right now is I'm not even sourcing anymore. And I'm going to tell you a little bit more about that. I'm not even sourcing at all. I did not source at all this month, because most of my focus is on finding capital to actually scale during Q4 and actually starting scaling soon. So scaling season is going to come soon. As you guys know, I first wanted to actually scale during the summer. It's not going to happen because the summer is over. Of course, you guys know this. But yeah, so I wanted it to happen this summer. It did not. So we had to delay the plans due to a few things that we're also going to talk about in this video. But yeah, we had to delay the plans. No, as I said, the bottom line was not as good as previous month. Because I don't know if you remember, but like 2 months ago, I had a month that was a little bit more. It was over 30,000. And the thing is that I had a wholesale product, and I had another product that I went deep into. And the thing is that, because I told you about some stuff with my prep center, because we need to talk about my old prep center as well. I made a whole video on it. And so, first of all, my wholesale lead was shipped directly from my supplier. And I had a ton of return on that lead. Second thing, one of my other online arbitrage leads had a ton of returns. I'm still unsure why. I believe, and as I said, I'm not going to say this is the case, but I see that there was a lot of mistake because I had multiple size, and the count did not make sense when I looked at what my prep center said they received. I'm not sure if this is actually what happened, because this is actually a product that it's like shapewear for women. Those products have a lot of returns already, but like this specific product, the returns and the amount of usable returns was super low, right? So I'm not actually losing a ton of money if I'm actually shipping them back, but the thing is that I cannot deal with my returns right now. So this is one leak in my business. I said last month that I needed to take care of that. I haven't taken care of that yet. All my returns are going to my address in the US, and so I cannot ship them back. I cannot look at them. And so a lot of those were actually shipped back to my address. I cannot ship them back. And I am unsure if they were actually sent to the right like listing, because like I think they made some mistakes when it comes to sizes. So this is why, like, because of that, like because of this, the first thing, because of the amount of returns and unsellable returns I had with this product, and the amount of returns I had with my wholesale product that was not checked by someone else than my supplier, which is my fault, because I will have realized that there was something wrong with it, and so I will not have sold them. So I will not have, like, I would have not lost money on it. But like, I lost some money on those two ASINs, because first of all, my wholesale listing got removed because of that, because of the amount of refunds that I had. So I think that Seller Amp calculated this as a loss. And same thing, the unsellable returns, they are considered a loss until I actually ship them back and, you know, make some money on them. So because of that, like my profit margins calculated from sell boards is actually lower than 10% for this month. It's actually not that dramatic because like if I actually take care of the returns, if I take care of the wholesale product, it's not going to be as dramatic. But like if we look at it this way, yes, my bottom line went down. It went under 10%, which is not good, of course, because my profit margins should be like closer to 20%. Even if it's under 20%, it should be at least getting close to 20%. But yeah. This is where we're at right now with the bottom line. This is what I learned regarding wholesale, is that I think sending stuff straight from the supplier may not be a good idea if you do not have a relationship with the supplier. And same thing with the prep center. As you guys know, if you've seen the video, I stopped working with my old prep center. So I'm working with a new prep center because my old prep center things were not working great, which impeded the growth as well. And so, yeah. What we can learn from this month is that finding a good prep center is not an easy task, and I think that I'm with a good prep center now. We'll see how it goes. And secondly, your process needs to be better for prepping, like because even though you're going to get fucked if your prep center does some mistakes, like my old prep center did. It's going to fuck up your margins, and you're going to lose money eventually, right? So yeah, bad thing, bad vibe. But yeah, nothing we can do about that. As I said. However, scaling season is coming soon. So, as I said, my main focus was really to try to find capital. All right. So, you guys know that ever since March, I have a plan. I have my plan with credit card with Chase and stuff like that. This month, we were approved for a Chase credit card with 0% APR, the Chase Inc. Unlimited, 0% APR for 12 months, $12,000 at 0% APR, which I'm going to drop into inventory probably this month, because as I said, I haven't been sourcing ever since. Like I haven't been sourcing for the last 2 weeks because I'm changing my strategy a little bit. Other than that, Amazon loans. I was not offered a loan last month. Maybe this month I still have an offer for like over 35,000. Not from Amazon though, but I'm not going to take it for multiple reasons that I'm not going to discuss in this video. I may discuss it. I think I may have discussed it in the past, but I'm not going to discuss this in this video. I'm not going to take this loan for multiple reasons. It's like a loan for 2 years, so it was actually a good deal, but there are some reasons that are making it that I'm not actually going to take this loan. It would have been maybe in a couple of months if I still have the offer, maybe during Q4. Who knows? I'm still unsure that if I'm going to do it or not. But yeah, it would have helped a lot actually. Maybe like Amazon used to send me new loan offer at the beginning of the month. So if I can get a good Amazon loan, what I'm going to do is, as I said, I'm changing my whole strategy. So I'm not sourcing every day anymore. I've been in a specific niche. All right. I've been trying it and it goes on sale every single month. I've talked about it a little bit. I'm not going to tell you what it is in this video, but I've done 2 cycles with them, and so I'm pretty confident now to drop all my money into these products. So what I'm doing right now is I'm gonna like stack on gift cards to wait for the sale and actually go deep in those and actually bring my days in inventory down, because these products sell super fast. All right. Decent return on investment. If I can stack on some gift cards while I wait for the sale, a lot of people source this sale, but it sells super fast. If I can stack up some gift cards, we are going to make a lot of money. So this is my plan. This is where I want to go with my strategy, with my Amazon business. When it comes to sourcing, I'm not sourcing every day anymore. I'm going to focus just on these products for a couple of months at least, I guess until Q4. I don't know if I'm going to do this during Q4, because during Q4 I may be back in the US to do FBM. I'm not sure. I'm not sure yet. I need to figure it out because if I don't know. I really don't know. I think it's a great opportunity for me to go back to the US and do FBM. I'm not sure. I may still. I really don't know. To be honest, I really don't know, because like, the simplicity that comes with my strategy right now, sourcing once a month, just buying, like just stacking money and waiting for this sale to hit, because it hits every single month. Just waiting for this sale and going deep on it. the simplicity that comes with this makes my life so much easier. So yeah, right now I have we just had this credit line. We are going to wait 3 months to actually go for another credit line with Chase. We may try some stuff with other companies. I don't know yet, but yeah, right now the plan is still to work with Chase as usual. The bottom line went down. The still maintenance mode. I'm not sure because I still have some expense. I did take a little money this month out of the business to invest into some other ventures. But like it's still maintenance mode. Like we are not going in the negative, so it's always maintenance mode, around $25,000 a month. Worst case scenario, if we get fucked by FC transfers, it's going to be at 20,000. But like I'm not too worried about that because like the business is ready to scale. All it needs is capital. Yes, I have some expense right now with, you know, with the stuff because I went back, you know, because I was traveling, all that stuff. I still have a little expense to take care of. But the business is fine. The business is on maintenance. And I may inject the money. I may inject a lot, depending on if I get a new loan offer or stuff. I may inject way more money into the business. There's already the new credit card from Chase, 0% APR that is going to help. I don't know if it's going to affect the business this month. Maybe the truth is this. Maybe the business may go down because I'm not sourcing anymore every single day. And so, you know, the way my business is going to be right now is there's going to be a big peak of sale and then sales are going to slow down a little bit because it's just one sale amount that I go super heavy on. So it may be like this. So I don't know exactly when this month, probably around the middle of the month, the sale is going to hit. So I don't know if I'm going to buy stuff before that. I don't think so, to be honest. So I'm really waiting on that sale to go deep in it. I'm really stacking money to go deep with it. And so yeah, if the business goes down this month, it's going to go up next month. So this is not something that I am worried about. I do not have a lot of other expenses, though, to take care of right now regarding the whole situation with my travel and stuff. Maybe. It's not sure. So I don't think I'm going to take more money out of the business because of that. So scaling season is definitely coming sooner than later. Right now, I was hoping, as I said, that it would happen during the summer. It did not because of multiple reasons, because of the travel, because of everything that I've talked about in the previous videos, because of all the roadblocks. But yeah, this is where we're at right now. This is what we are going to do. And yeah, scaling season is coming soon. I just need to be patient a little bit and just wait for the right time to actually... The business is ready. Like definitely the business is ready right now to inject some money. So yeah, we're going to work with that credit card, with that new credit line. We are going to. I'm still working on getting more capital for Q4. Still working on trying to figure out how I can do this. And yeah, since most of my effort for the business is basically this, it's just figuring out where I can get that. It's still, you know, it's just being patient, building the business credit, and to eventually be less cash because I'm mostly cash in the business, you guys know. So yeah, that's what it's about right now with the business. We are ready to scale to 6-figure amount. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. Thank you for watching. I know this one was a little bit, it was not as long as the usual monthly recap, but not a lot of things have happened this month. It's just this, to be honest, and the prep center thing. But I have a whole video on the prep center drama, so if you want to watch it, watch it. It was released this month. It's just because my prep center was shipdiff. Just type shipdiff in the shipdiff Chris Mangunza. You're gonna find the video. So yeah, that's it for this month. Watch these other videos if you want to actually learn about selling on Amazon. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video, and thank you for watching.